Right, now the importance of putting a beam in with the props is because over time with dimensional lumber, what happens is the timber shrinks because of moisture and it ends up with bowing down or bowing up. So we need to counteract that by getting the timber straight to start with, and then we put our floor lock in. Okay, before we start installing the adjustable floor lock system, what we need to do is strengthen the connection between the frame and the joist. We will this way, that connection is tied out, so all the energy transfer will come back onto this point and then back down to the frame. So what we're doing, we've marked our template out, keeping it all on the same side. Every time we turn the bracket template around, it stays on the same side of the line every time. We mark each side where the arrows are, top and bottom, and that will give us the perfect line for our brackets to go in. I'm just going through and we're just finishing off the last mounting bracket. What we want to do is keep this up 1/4 inch from the bottom, just allows for anything so it doesn't bends and pushes down drywall later. I've placed all my adjustable floor locks system in position, ready to be tensioned. I'm just about to put the last one in. We can use whatever's available to you. I've got an impact driver. You can use a socket, a wrench, a spanner, whatever, a drill. It's a 5/16 tip, so they're very common. And all I do is place it in and just tighten it up, just ready to be tensioned. With the load on the floor, whether it be a gymnasium or a spa bath, the joists have sagged over time, and what we're doing is rectifying that, because there will be a bounce in the floor, whether you've got a bounce or whether it squeaks, whether the joists are all up and down, is what we're trying to rectify. So what we need to do is we need to transfer all the load onto the end wall. It's like putting a steel beam underneath with a post. You need to support that steel beam, and that's what we're doing by doing this. So when we start tightening the floor lock, we need to start from the end and start bringing the load back out this way. With our brackets already installed, we've put our first floor lock in the end joist and the supported joist where the walls would be. Now this, we need to start from the outside going inwards. So what we will do, we won't put this one in just yet, but I'll start. Lining the floor up. Put our middle ones in. Okay, we'll put some tension on those.